Hi, my name is Nadia and I'm part of the education team at Caryl Baker Visage. The only drama that I want is in my lashes. So today I'm going to show you how I make my lashes luscious. First, I start off by using the Amplifeye, which has a ton of active ingredients, natural botanicals to strengthen the lashes, to make them more volume, length, and it also helps with hair stimulation and hair growth. You can even apply it to your eyebrows to help stimulate eye growth as well. And all you simply need to do is just apply it directly to your lash line. Okay, so first, before I apply my mascara, I like to curl my lashes. So I use an eyelash curler and I just open it up like so, place my eyelashes in, and gently press at the base of your lash. Make sure not to pinch your skin, and just gently pump. Pump for about 20 to 30 seconds. Hold it in place. Gently release, and there you go. My absolute fave that I use absolutely every single day is our triple lash mascara, which has little tiny fibers built within it to help give you that length and full volume look. So I'm going to demonstrate to you today how to apply mascara. So after I curl them, I then apply my first coat of mascara. So you never want to pump your mascara. So here you're going to see the excess of mascara. So I'm just going to gently do that and then start at the base of my lash and swivel in an upwards motion. I like my lashes to look more full, so I'm just going to add another coat. Again, starting at the base, sweeping upwards. And I never worry about mascara getting onto my eyelid. The beauty about this particular mascara is that if it does get on the eyelid, you just let it sit there and you get a Q-tip and it flicks right off, no smudging. I'm a little bit more of a drama mama, so I'm gonna add one more coat. Beautiful. Now that my top lashes are done, now I'm gonna show you how to apply mascara to the bottom lash. So I just look up this way, and again, from the base to the tip in a swivel motion. And now on this eye, I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes. I'm going to be using our Esqido line in Peaches and Cream. What I love about these lashes is that it's handcrafted with specially formulated synthetic fibers. As you can tell, it's extremely lightweight and durable. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing that you do is, because we all have different eye shapes, you just want to make sure that the length fits properly to the length of your actual eye. If you need to do any trimming, typically what you do is you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're just going to then trim the tail end of the lash. Okay, so before I do that, I'm just going to make sure that it aligns up properly with my own lash line. And as you can tell, it is quite larger in length. So I am going to just cut the tail end and measure again. So that should be just about right. Now, I do have eyeliner on this eye here, the eye that I'm putting the lashes on, just because it will look much better and clean. So I'm holding it with my Tweezerman tweezers. I'm taking the lash glue, and just here at the base of the rubber band, I'm applying the glue. It is white, but as it dries, it will dry clear. You want to put extra glue just on the edges, because typically when they do peel, if they were to ever peel away, it usually starts at either the beginning of the lash or just right at the tail end. Just wave it around just like that to make the glue a little bit tacky, makes it easier to stick on the lash line. All right, now I'm ready to apply. I'm going to make sure that I apply it really, really close to my lash line. Apply it to the center first, like so, and now just adjust. Fantastic. And there you have it. Now I just demonstrated to you how I get my lashes to look luscious by using our mascara as well as our strip lashes. If you want to get to know more about how to receive your own personalized luscious lash look, please feel free to contact your local Caryl Baker Visage face spa.